Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now that you know the basics, let's dive deeper into the techniques and tips for making the perfect Basque Burnt Cheesecake. Baking process and tips. Prep the pan. Crumple parchment paper, then flatten and press it into the springform pan. The wrinkles help the cheesecake rise and char unevenly. Mix the batter. Beat cream cheese and sugar until smooth, no lumps. Add eggs one at a time, mixing just until combined. Overbeating adds air, which causes cracks. Slowly pour in heavy cream, then fold in flour and vanilla, if using. The batter should be thin, like heavy cream. Bake hot and fast. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Rack position matters, center for even heat. Pour batter into the pan. Bake for 50 to 60 minutes. The top should puff, then darken to a deep mahogany. It's okay if the center jiggles, that's where the creaminess comes from. Pro tip. Rotate the pan halfway if your oven has hot spots. Don't panic if the top blackens slightly. Bitterness comes from overbaking, not color. Cool, then chill. Let the cheesecake cool in the pan for an hour. It will deflate, that's normal. Refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or overnight. This firms up the center while keeping it creamy. The perfect Basque cheesecake isn't about precision. Embrace cracks, uneven edges, and that dark top. It's supposed to look rustic, the flavor does all the talking. Serving and pairing suggestions. Basque Burnt Cheesecake is stunning on its own, but a little extra flair can make it unforgettable. Whether you're serving it straight from the pan or dressing it up for guests, here's how to highlight its rich, creamy texture and smoky sweetness. Presentation ideas. The cheesecake's rustic charm is part of its appeal. Embrace the cracks and dark top. That said, a few simple touches can elevate it without masking its character. Dust it lightly with powdered sugar just before serving. The white contrast makes the burnt top pop. Fresh berries like raspberries or strawberries add a tart balance. Scatter them around the plate or on top. A drizzle of caramel or honey enhances the caramelized flavors without overpowering. Keep it light. Too much sweetness competes with the dessert's natural richness. Whipped cream or creme fraiche on the side cuts through the density. A dollop with a sprinkle of sea salt works wonders. For a dramatic effect, serve slices on dark plates or slate boards. The deep color highlights the cheesecake's burnt edges and creamy center. Pairing with drinks. This dessert is rich, so drinks should complement, not fight, its flavor. Here's what works best. Espresso or strong coffee. The bitterness cuts through the creaminess, balancing each bite. A shot of espresso alongside a slice is a classic match. Sweet sherry, like Pedro Jimenez. Its raisin-like sweetness mirrors the cheesecake's caramelized notes. Sip slowly. It's intense but perfect for dessert lovers. Black tea, Earl Grey or chai. The bergamot or spice notes add contrast without clashing. Serve it warm to cleanse the palate between bites. Dessert wine, Moscato or Sauterne. Their floral sweetness pairs well, but avoid anything too syrupy. If you prefer something cold, a glass of chilled vanilla-scented milk or a scoop of plain vanilla ice cream keeps things simple and satisfying. Variations and customizations. Basque Burnt Cheesecake is perfect in its simplicity, but that doesn't mean you can't play with flavors and textures. Whether you want to add a subtle twist or cater to dietary needs, a few smart tweaks keep the essence intact while making it your own. Flavor infusions. The classic recipe is a blank canvas for creativity. You can introduce new flavors without risking the creamy, custard-like texture. The key is to avoid adding too much moisture or weight. Stick with ingredients that blend seamlessly. Citrus zest. A teaspoon of lemon or orange zest brightens the richness without overpowering. Fold it into the batter with the vanilla. Spices. A pinch of cinnamon or nutmeg adds warmth. For bolder flavors, try cardamom or a dash of espresso powder. Chocolate. Swirl in melted dark chocolate, cooled slightly, before baking for pockets of deep flavor. Skip chocolate chips. They sink. Liqueurs. A tablespoon of Grand Marnier, Amaretto, or even bourbon enhances depth. Too much alcohol can thin the batter, so keep it light. Matcha or cocoa powder. Sift 1 to 2 tablespoons into the flour for a vibrant green or chocolatey version. These powders absorb moisture, so don't overdo it. Pro tip: if adding liquid flavors, like liqueurs, reduce the heavy cream by a tablespoon to balance the consistency. Dietary adaptations. This dessert is naturally gluten-free friendly, but a few adjustments can accommodate other dietary needs without sacrificing texture. Gluten-free. Swap all-purpose flour for a 1-to-1 gluten-free blend or almond flour. The cheesecake might be slightly denser but still delicious. Lower sugar. Reduce sugar by 1/4 cup and add a teaspoon of vanilla or almond extract to compensate. The caramelized top won't be as dark, but the flavor stays rich. Dairy-free. Use high-quality vegan cream cheese and coconut cream instead of heavy cream. The texture will be softer, so bake it 5 to 10 minutes longer. Egg substitutes. For a plant-based version, try silken tofu blended with a touch of cornstarch. The result is less custardy but still creamy. Note: dietary swaps can change baking times. Check for doneness 5 to 10 minutes earlier than the original recipe. The center should wobble slightly when shaken. Whether you're infusing flavors or adjusting ingredients, the goal is the same. A burnt top, a creamy middle, and that unforgettable contrast. Experiment, but keep it simple. This dessert shines when it's not overcomplicated. Basque Burnt Cheesecake proves that the best desserts don't need to be perfect. Its bold, caramelized top and creamy center make every bite stand out. With just a handful of ingredients and no fancy techniques, it's one of the easiest yet most impressive desserts you can bake. Whether you serve it plain or add a personal twist, it's a crowd pleaser. The simplicity means you can make it your own without losing its charm. Grab your springform pan and give it a try. This recipe is forgiving, flavorful, and impossible to resist. Once you taste that burnt to perfection contrast, you'll see why this cheesecake has fans everywhere. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.